am Rahul Dhaigude, Assistant Professor, Symbiosis Institute of Management Studies. Today, we will talk about an important concept, standard costing. So, when we are talking about standard costing, and which is one of the important component of costing, we should first understand why the management needs standard costing. So first, we will have to see what are the important or principal activities or functions of management. The principal functions of management are planning, directing, staffing and controlling. The management, every management has some goals or some objectives, and those goals or objectives, to meet those goals and objectives, the management has to plan, it has to execute and monitor the activities so that the set goals and objectives will be met. Now what happens? Sometimes during the process of implementation or execution, there are some deviations. What are the deviations? So the deviations are, there is a difference between the actual outcome and the set outcome, which is standard. So the standard means the norms or the expectations. So what we can say is, standard costing is a tool in the hands of management which helps the management to control the things. Now, why to control the things? When the management has to achieve its set objectives or goals, it has to see that there are no deviations, and the deviations, if at all, they should be minimized or a corrective action should be taken. Let us take an example. A manufacturing unit wants to produce, say, 10,000 units in a day with a diameter of 0.5 millimeter. This is the expectation or this is the norm, which we can say is a standard. What happens in reality or fact is, the unit may produce 10,000 units or it may not produce 10,000 units. Also, it has to be of a diameter of 0.5 millimeter. If at all there is a deviation in the production in number of units or in the size of the product, there will be a problem in achieving the set target or goal for the management. To take the corrective measure, the management has to control this activity. Now, an important aspect in costing is standard cost. Standard cost for the material. The cost involved in the material, labor and overhead plays an important role in costing. That's why the standard costing plays an important role in controlling these costs. So today we have seen why the cost important is management, important in the hands of management as a tool of controlling. In the next session, we will see how the standard cost is calculated. Thank you.